Alright, so welcome back to the channel. As you guys see in the title and thumbnail, so this is the night before. So I collect the thing that I'm order. You see me collect monitor and my keyboard and Ethernet cable, you see me? PC over here, so PC over here, so in the corner go on, you know, I'm just turn him on, making go on, you know, sim on, turn on and thing and make sure everything are running good, you see me? Table and thing there, but you see me, you wire them all set up better, don't watch that, you see me? So yeah, this is the night before, so I just have vlog it, you see me? I shut a piece right now and then I go lay down and go sleep. Then when the package them come tomorrow, I go unpack them and set up everything. So look how the setup look now. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop the video. You see me, if you get like update, I change up my room. So my room no look like how it look again, but it's a new look. I change up everything, put the bed over this on the dresser. So I'm gonna set up my setup a little bit different now, you see me? So that's the bed, dresser, and we have the setup over here. So I just saw we have to rack it for now because we don't have enough space. So we just set up it so for streaming and think nice and clean and neat, you see me? Nice and clean and neat. We have a heap of space in the background, so I go decorate up here and make it look well nice, you see me? So yeah, just a little update on that. Change up a place and make the place look better. Different from how I did see it in the original video. So just a little update. You see me? So let's go back to the video. Tomorrow in the morning when I wake up, I go fall asleep, I go shut up his fall asleep and then get up in the morning. Whenever the package them come, we start back the video and then unpack them, set them up and show on everything and you know, run some games, some Warzone, some RP. Here's what I say my side. So yeah, I'm showing you the room though and then showing you the bathroom. Then we catch you guys in the morning when you think them forward. So yeah, I'm showing you the room first. Oh, this is the PC and streaming section, you see me? Closet. This is the bed. You feel me? Over this is the dresser. Well, dresser drawer, bedside table, if I say. Here's a dresser. You see me? Nothing much step on here right now. Most of the things them the inside right, but I'm not gonna change it, but that's how make it stay so for now. You see me? And let's show you guys the bathroom. That's the bathroom. You see me? Can't even show the bowl because you know I have piss in the bowl and thing, but yeah. Yeah, so I had the shower. I'm pull it and show you how I go on. You know, we have to have a bio-clear soap. You know, for the bleaching, so we have to stay clean, shower. That's what I say. Nice place, nice place, nice place. Nice place, isn't it? I sleep now, and then when you think them for the morning now, we video that. Okay guys? So I'll catch you guys in the morning when the package is reach. See you guys then. Alright, so I think them finally forward from Amazon. Amazon finally bring them come. Why am I look so white, bro? You see me? But yeah, monitor, keyboard, and a 45 feet Ethernet cable. You see me? Amazon been around permitting, bro. So here we are go unbox them and then take them out and you know what I say? Show how I go on. PC been there, so weird, bro. You see me? Don't watch your wine and thing, but yeah, we're gonna set up everything now. I'm gonna start with first the monitor. Alright, we'll go unbox him out and show how I go on. This is the keyboard and keyboard Ethernet cable. So alright, so we have this other wire. So we have a wire. I'm not connect up a monitor yet, but monitor did a keyboard. I got unbox this right now. I'll just set up everything and then show now. Set up everything and then show you the final, because I don't have much space on the camera, you see me? So I'm just set up everything and show you the final thing. Everything when I'm showing you this, I could be in. Alright, so we're done set out everything already. Set up the monitor, the PC and everything. And this is how everything look. You know, nice and simple and clean. Nothing too crazy. Right now we are going to edit the first video when we just fly in, you see me? I'm going to edit the first one, but nice and clean setup, nothing too crazy. I soon get some RGB light and make the place look way more better, you know, but like behind me though. But yeah, this is just a setup for now. Nothing too crazy, you know, nothing too crazy. Sorry for this, for how this look. For the whole like a different looking table, not white, but you know, we just have to make it how we can set it up and everything. But yeah, that's it for the whole setup of we coming in the United States, and then we set up a PC, radio, monitor, radio, you see me? So we just have to stream, and if we are going on the road, we vlog it and upload some video and make you see it, you see me? And yeah, but we just do it again for this, you know, for the final part, so you can fully see everything and see how the room stay now, you see me? Yeah, so this is how the room is looking at the current moment. The simple and clean bed and thing. Now they actually edit the video right now too. You see me? The video we wanna watch right now, I hit me edit same time. But yeah, let's have to go over it back again so you can just see it for the see how the room currently stays. Everything what you see in the video, the monitor, the keyboard and the Ethernet cable gonna be down in the description. So if you guys want to grab it, you can grab it through my affiliate link, you see me? So yeah, you can just match it up, it will be down in the description. So feel free if you don't want like the monitor, keyboard and the Ethernet cable, you can just grab it in the description, you see me? Boom.